Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation. Let's step into our actual details. From our menu item, we are into box number 3, query tuning. What we learn here and how it is useful for our jobs, daily tasks. Let's get started. Let's understand the optimization techniques we need to step into a must and should skill set for every one of us. Let's understand what we are going to learn here. Yes, in our classes, we are going to slowly start with database architecture first. We'll understand the detailed database architecture to start with, then slowly step into something called query audits and query store. We need to learn various factors influencing the query performance and the tuning techniques for our actual classes. From there, we go for something called indexes, detailed index items we need to practice. We need to learn the concept of B tree and statistics. We need to step into alternative for indexes called partitions, not competitor, okay? Alternative. Then we need to get the actual friendship between indexes paired with partitions. There comes index management and tuning tools. We need to have something called profiler and DTA, database engine tuning advisor tool. Understand step by step the execution plan and query costs with Microsoft recommendations for best performance. Complete detailed transcript to be provided to you. You may take a print, hard copy print if you wish to, recommended for easy clarity in what we learn. The class notes would be in a printable format. You have access to a printer, you can happily take a print, and it's a good way, to get the things documented, writing or observation notes, going to the things point to point, straight. From there comes detailed execution plan analysis and very important log management concepts, live log, dead logs, and isolation levels. And after this important concept, we are going to learn something else called query store with in-memory activities. Then you would be doing one case study on some e-commerce data. To make it more clear on the screen, the detailed query tuning concepts. We have architecture, audits, query store, dashboards, metrics. Then we need to learn about something called as indexing activities, different types of indexes, and we have various index options. So revise system databases, please revise them. You have been into SQL already, Microsoft SQL Server. Please revise system databases, constraints, joins. That should be fine. We need to learn partitions. During partitions, we do audits. For this, we need to have touch on joins already so that we can have more useful classes here for auditing activities. Tool, DTA and profiler tool, index management activities, execution plans, log management activities we need to learn slowly, step by step. And this particular case study would be helping us, it would be helping us for understanding the actual implementation of these concepts in real life. The entire set of keywords are more, concept is bit lengthy, so we need to take it practically step by step at every level, straight into the things. Plan for about total of 10 concepts, 5 to 6 hours, minimum 5 from the curriculum, may go up to 6 as per the doubts, clarifications, and any requests for revising a particular concept and the like. It depends. I request you to make sure we practice on time throughout this lovely object query tuning. Let's enjoy the things carefully step by step. Next, any further clarification questions, I'll be available.